And you kick me for all of my mistakes. If you run away, I'll let you escape. But I'm still in the ocean, waving my arms to you. And I'm swimming 1,000 miles over here. Would you wait for me and take it once again, regardlessly? And I'll still be with you wherever you go. So let me be your Cascade. I'm your Cascade, filling your heart, filling your heart. You can push me further than before. If you shoot me, I will let you do so. But I'm still in this ocean, waving my arms to you. And I'm crossing this water just for you, my girl. Could you wait for me and take it once again, regardlessly? And I'm still here with you wherever you are. So let me be your Cascade.